Racing just is started. We have Joel's Choice. Break quick. Let us start rushing up now. The outside is Eagle Swings. Ledikin. Moralia then down on the inside. Now is Granda Pair. Lakay comes next. Ikaw ha. Divine Wisdom. Then next online is Reyes Gold. Long Nose Hawk. While Harbor Magic is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Eagle Swings on its favorite position as the pace setter, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Ledikin in second, and in third comes Moralia. Lakay running by the rail is Granda Pair. Joel's Choice, Ikaw ha. Then comes Long Nose Hawk. Divine Wisdom. Reyes Gold is running by the rail, while Harbor Magic is still racing in 11th. And at the fourth turn, we have Eagle Swings maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Ledikin, then here comes Ikaw ha. Now starting to put big strides. Lakay, Divine Wisdom comes next. Long Nose Hawk, Harbor Magic, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Eagle Swings by a length and a half. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Ikaw ha. Eagle Swings, Ikaw ha. Is on the outside. Eagle Swings, Ikaw ha. Moves somebody outside to take the lead, and finally Ikaw ha. Eagle Swings, then comes Lakay, Divine Wisdom, number 4 Long Nose Hawk, and Reyes Gold.
Alright, na-exact.